So thank you, James, for agreeing to say a few words for us.
You're welcome.
You had your conservatory roof done by Conservatory Insulation Specialists. Can I just ask you, have you noticed a difference in the temperature to start?
Without a doubt, in the summer, beautiful view, we couldn't use it as a dining room. Now we can, and in the summer, it still maintains a reasonable level, and sometimes we have to open the door a little bit, but that's just with any room you'd be enjoying the summer.
Yeah.
It's been a big difference.
Oh, that's
Big
fantastic.
difference.
So in the winter, it's a lot warmer, is it?
The winter is equally as good. One radiator does the job, and obviously in the winter when it's even sunny, it just keeps a consistent temperature, which is even better.
Yeah, that's brilliant. And what would you say about our fitters?
Two wonderful young men who came from, I think, Hastings Way, came out a day and a half it took them, and they were polite, courteous, no bother whatsoever, professional. They even put in a chandelier for us to make sure it was done properly.
Good.
And nothing but positiveness. If we ask the question, we get a full explanation. The lining, and then the second lining, the grey paper is a reflector, then the lining, and then the way that they were putting the actual roof on.
Yeah.
It just takes the room to a new level.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, that's great. And finally, would you recommend us to family and friends?
Oh, 100%. And I have actually left the information at the golf club as well, so that people can make any decision for themselves.
Yes.
And anytime they ask me, I say, best thing you'll ever do.
Brilliant.
So, and I think we were looking at as many different ways as we possibly could.
Yeah.
But this is perfect.
Yeah, does the job.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And as the saying goes, it does what it says on the side of the tin.
Yeah.
It just basically does everything that you want it to do and everything they say it does.
Fantastic.
So take the chance, go for it.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.
You're more than welcome.
Okay.